Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to English grammar lesson on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the topic future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is often used in English as a way to talk about something happening at a given point in the future. Future continuous tense is also known as future progressive tense. It is a verb tense when we talk about an action continuously happening in the future. The structure of future continuous tense is subject plus auxiliary verb be plus main verb. In auxiliary verb be, you have to add will plus be in future continuous tense, and in main verb it should be present participle ing to the main verb. The formula of future continuous tense is auxiliary verb be will plus be plus present participle ing to the main verb. This is the positive sentences of future continuous tense. In these sentences, you have to understand the singular subject and auxiliary verb. First one, I will be playing. I is the singular subject. I belongs to first person. You have to add auxiliary verb will be. Next, you will be playing. You is the singular subject. You belongs to second person. You have to add auxiliary verb will be. Next, he, she, it will be playing. He, she, it is the singular subject. He, she, it belongs to third person. You have to add auxiliary verb will be. All these three sentences of future continuous tense, you have to add auxiliary verb will be after the singular subject. This is the negative sentences of future continuous tense. In negative sentences, you have to add the word not. Sentences are same. Only just you have to remember the word not in negative sentences. In negative sentences, you have to follow some rules in future continuous tense. First one, I will not be playing. In this sentence, you have the singular subject I plus auxiliary verb will plus negative word not plus auxiliary verb be plus present participle ing playing. Other two sentences also will be the same thing, like first one how I told you. In negative sentences, you have singular subject plus auxiliary verb will plus negative word not plus auxiliary verb be plus present participle ing. This is the rule you have to follow in negative sentences. Singular subjects of three sentences, first person, second person, third person, and auxiliary verb will be is the same in negative sentences just like positive sentences. This is the questions of future continuous tense. In questions also, you have to follow some rules in future continuous tense. In question, you have to remember that auxiliary verb will is coming first, subject comes afterwards. Questions in any tenses, auxiliary verb is coming first, subject comes afterwards. First one, will I be playing? In this sentence, you have auxiliary verb will plus singular subject I plus auxiliary verb be plus present participle ing playing. In other two sentences also, you have auxiliary verb will plus singular subject plus auxiliary verb be plus present participle ing. Singular subjects of these three sentences, first person, second person, third person, and auxiliary verb will be is the same in question also, just like positive sentences and negative sentences. Next, this is the positive sentences of plural subject and its auxiliary verb. First one, we will be playing. We is the plural subject. We belongs to first person. Auxiliary verb will be. Next, you will be playing. You is the plural subject. You belongs to second person. Auxiliary verb will be. Next, they will be playing. They is the plural subject. They belongs to third person. Auxiliary verb will be. You have to add same auxiliary verb will be for first person, second person, and third person of plural subject in positive sentences. This is the negative sentences of plural subject and its auxiliary verb. You have to add same auxiliary verb will be for first person, second person and third person of plural subject in negative sentences. In negative sentences, you have to add only the word not. Sentences are same. In positive sentences of plural subject and auxiliary verb, how I taught, sentences are same, but in negative sentences, you have to remember to add the word not. In negative sentences, you have plural subject plus auxiliary verb will plus negative word not plus auxiliary verb be plus present participle ing. This is the questions of plural subjects and its auxiliary verb in future continuous tense. In questions, you have to remember that auxiliary verb will is coming first, subject comes afterwards, even plural subject also. In questions, you have auxiliary verb will plus plural subject we plus auxiliary verb be plus present participle ing. Now look at an examples of sentences with pictures. We will be swimming when you return. In this sentence you have subject we plus auxiliary verb will be plus present participle ing swimming. Auxiliary verb will be plus present participle ing swimming is the formula of future continuous tense. Will be swimming is the future continuous tense. Next, she will be watching TV. Subject she plus auxiliary verb will be plus present participle ing watching. Will be watching is the future continuous tense. The formula of future continuous tense is auxiliary verb will be plus present participle ing watching. Next, the baby will be sleeping in the afternoon. Subject the baby plus auxiliary verb will be plus present participle ing sleeping. The formula of future continuous tense is auxiliary verb will be plus present participle ing sleeping. Will be sleeping is the future continuous tense. Now we will do an exercise. Change the sentence into future continuous tense. First one, we will sail in an hour. The question is in future tense. You have to change into future continuous tense. Correct answer is we will be sailing in an hour. Next, Shalini will stay with his friends. Correct answer is Shalini will be staying with his friends. Next, the school will reopen at 7:30 a.m. Correct answer is the school will be reopening at 7:30 a.m. Next, he will come to meet you. Answer is he will be coming to meet you. If you understood future continuous tense, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.